all this application inside the OW2 ecosystem can connect and authenticate against Lemon LDAP. We also have some self-services, like if you lost your password, you can reset your password, you can create your account, etc., etc. So it's very simple. It's a small project, but it's used by a lot of people. Here are just some organizations that have accepted to be on this slide, but there are a lot more of organizations that are using this product. We see here a lot of a French public organization, but we are also we have banks. We have also a private company. Orange is using Lemon LDAP in his own system. So 2.0, it's a huge number. I wanted to do a little flashback because 2 years ago I was here to talk about Lemon LDAP 2.0. Okay, so 2 years ago we think we can release it, and 2 years after it is not released. Because this is open source, and we just release when it's ready, so it's not ready. And you are happy to not have a bad 2.0 version, but you have now a good 1.9 version. Okay. So all that was presented 2 years ago, all new features that were presented 2 years ago are now in 1.9 version. Which is not the 2.0 version, because we wanted to add a few more features before releasing this major version. We created a lot of unit tests, we do a lot of code, and we still are not ready. And I can't tell you when we will be ready. Okay, so sorry, I don't have any clue on this. But you want to help us because we will have some interesting new feature like multi-factor authentication. I don't know if you know what one-time password and one-time token are on second-factor authentication are. We know that security with only a login and password is very weak today, so we are implementing some second-factor authentication, like a code that you receive by an SMS or a physical token that you have to plug on your device to be able to log in. This will be natively available in the new version. We have some Node.js protection agents. We will have some API protection agents, etc., etc. We also have a new authentication backend to authenticate again REST APIs with PAM, with Kerberos, a new combination module that will allow to chain other authentication methods. So you will be able to choose to search in an Active Directory and database, an LDAP directory, and to authenticate with any of these means. So you can merge all your user databases and have a single point of authentication with Lemon LDAP. We can store the configuration in many formats. By default, it's JSON, and in 2.0 we'll also provide a YAML storage. And we have a big feature which is related to authentication levels. It means that you will be able to say that application A requires a level 1 of authentication, and application B requires a level 2 of authentication. And if you access to application B, you will be prompted to re-authenticate with a stronger mean to be able to access it. So you can have some simple authentication for simple application, and to force user to add security to their authentication to be able to access to sensible application. And how to help is very easy. First, you can offer me beer, but that was done yesterday on the boat, so it's done. But you can help to translate the product on Trozifex, like a lot of product here. We have all the code which is open source on the trunk that you can download and test, review issue, write unit tests. Of course, join the project. So we're open to community. It's a pure community project. It's backed by many other organizations. So if you want to help and participate, I will be happy to let you in. And of course, I hope that Lemon Lab will be soon installed inside OW2 architecture, so all of you can benefit of this wonderful software. Just some publicity. I will be next week in Saint-Étienne, beautiful city. There are the Rencontre mondiale du logiciel libre here, and we are also organizing an event around LDAP on all authentication and security in Brussels in October. So feel free to note this date and join us if you can. Thank you, and if you have questions, maybe.
Any question for Clément? Oh, thank you very much, Clément.
Thank you.